Another day and I'm back with another video. Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a brand new TWS earbuds to show you all. These are made by boAt. It's their brand new model called the Airdopes 411. They're Bluetooth B5.0 earbuds and come in this sort of packaging. Let me just remove this bubble wrap and show you the box packing. So here they are, our brand new TWS earbuds from boAt. This is how the Airdopes 411 look like. You've got the boAt branding at the top and says these earbuds keep you moving. Well, we'll have to see about that. First, let me show you all of its features. As I've told you, they are Bluetooth V5.0, have 6mm drivers in them and come with a 50mAh battery in both the earbuds. They've got a sleek ergonomic design, are IPX4 sweat and water resistant and offer a continuous music playtime of up to 3.5 hours. On the other side, it says that these Airdopes offer easy access controls and also comes with a built-in microphone. So those are all the highlights of this product. That's it, there's nothing much written on the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packaging. I want to thank boAt for sending me this product for review. There you go. Let's open the box and check it out. So on opening the box, we got another mini box at the top with the boAt branding over here. Wonder what's inside. Okay, looks like we've got some paperwork over here. There's a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. Along with that, you also get a warranty card and a product catalog. So these are all the items we got in that mini box. And here's the charging case of the boAt Airdopes 411. Let me take it out. So here it is guys, and looks like the Airdopes are inside this case. Let me open it and show you. Yep, here are the new Airdopes 411 truly wireless earbuds. Wow, the build quality looks very good from my first impressions. So before we check it out in detail, let's see what else do we get in the package. You get an accessory box here which includes a packet of extra ear tips and earphones in different sizes and a flat wire micro USB cable for charging the earbuds. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let me finally show you the Airdopes. So the boAt's new Airdopes 411 TWS earbuds come in this nice looking charging case. You've got the boAt branding at the top and the build quality looks very nice. The body is made of high quality plastic and feels quite lightweight in the hand. Let me quickly give you an overview. On the front side, you've got 4 battery status indicators and a micro USB port at the back for charging the case. Going to the bottom, you've just got some info regarding the product. Now let me open the case and show you what's on the inside. So as soon as you open it up, the case shows you the current battery life over here. Right now it's full. So that's it, you just have 2 TWS earbuds on the inside. Let me take them out and give you a closer look. So this is how they look like. Wow. As soon as you take them out of the case, they automatically turn on and get ready to be paired. The boAt's new Airdopes 411 have a sleek ergonomic design and feel pretty lightweight in the hand. Each of them weighs only around 5.3 grams. They're Bluetooth V5.0 earbuds and the build quality looks pretty good. The earbuds are entirely made of plastic and have a sleek glossy finish all over the body. You've got multi-function button on both of them, charging contacts on the bottom and also come with these earphones to offer extra grip while wearing. Talking about the multi-function button can be used to adjust the volume, change music tracks and also activate voice assistant. You've got the boAt logo on both of them and the quality of the ear tips is also good. They feel soft and durable. So that was about the design and the build quality of this product. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The boAt Airdopes 411 are very comfortable to wear for long time usage. They're lightweight and fit perfectly in my ears. And since they are IPX4 rated sweat resistant, they can also be used during workouts. Now let me tell you about the audio quality. The audio quality was not that great as I expected. I would say the sound was pretty much average. The mids were clear, the vocal clarity was good, and you could also understand all the dialogues easily. Coming to the treble quality was average. And talking about the bass was pretty good. It was producing rich and punchy bass. But what I didn't like about the sound was, the bass was overwhelming the other frequencies, and the audio was sounding like there was some sort of Hall effect EQ applied on it. It was not having a flat frequency response. Talking about the THD, the distortion was less up to 85% volume level. Beyond that, you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also decent. At the beginning, I've told you that these earbuds also come with a built-in microphone, right? The mic quality was good during call conversations. Coming to the battery life was decently good. Each of these earbuds come with a 50mAh built-in battery and offer a continuous music playtime of around 3 to 3.5 hours at 70% volume level. But the good thing is, the charging case comes with a 500mAh battery and can charge your earbuds fully up to 3 times. That means you get a total music playtime of around 9 to 10 hours on a single charge, and charging the case from 0 to 100 took only around 1.5 hours. Well, that was my review on boAt's new Airdopes 411. The build quality is very good, their Bluetooth V5.0 and offer decently good battery life. The only thing I felt the company could improve was their audio quality. Rest everything else was great. These earbuds cost around 2,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.